Get hitched, idiom. It means to get married. They're getting hitched in January.
Sever, verb. It means, put or keep apart, cut off. He's severing the tree branch.
Tie means connection or bond. A mother and child often have strong ties.
Move out, phrasal verb. It means to leave one's house, apartment, etc., to live somewhere else.
They're moving out.
Fake, adjective. It means not true, real, or genuine. He's surfing on fake waves.
Suffocate means to restrict or stop the development of something or someone. She wants to study art, but her parents want her to be a doctor. They're suffocating her dreams. Broke, adjective. It means without money. He's broke, so he can't buy a new cell phone.
Unemployed, adjective. It means without a job, not employed. She's unemployed.
Stare, verb. It means to look fixedly, often with wide open eyes. He's staring at something.